Introducing Blackwood House of Colors Art Gallery and artist Jaban Christ. Self-taught artist developed love for art as a child, watching his father paint and older brother do music. It took him a series of fieldworks while he studied sociology and anthropology at the University of Boya to finally perceive art was the easiest means to make his views heard and the greatest therapy to change people's mindsets, both for the betterment of their lives, thence contributing to the betterment of society. He represented his university 2008 at the Afro-Caribbean Exhibition of African Literatures. Jaban Christ refers to a progression from law to grace, the message of love, hope, peace, beauty and prosperity he transmits through his art. Winner of the 2010 So You Think You Are Gifted GCM Art Contest and founder of the Blackwood House of Colors. His art is continuous and progressive, from exploration of styles and techniques, high accentuation of light to darkness, contrasting, which hits the soul and challenges the intellect to reasoning. From simplified geometrical shapes to surrealistic personages and abstract landscapes, characterizes his busy paintings he labeled zoology in the Jabanic tradition.